Sleep, a fundamental human need, often gets neglected in our fast-paced world. We sacrifice sleep for work, social commitments, and even late-night entertainment. However, prioritizing sleep is crucial for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Enter sleep hygiene, a set of practices designed to promote restful and rejuvenating sleep. Sleep hygiene encompasses various aspects of our lives, from our daily routines to our sleep environment. It's about creating habits and an environment that signal our bodies it's time to rest and recharge. Just as we maintain hygiene for our physical health, we need to cultivate healthy sleep habits for optimal sleep. This essay will delve into the importance of sleep hygiene, providing practical tips and strategies to help you unlock the power of sound sleep. By adopting these practices, you can improve your sleep quality, enhance your overall health, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized each day. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's a crucial part of our lives. During these restful hours, our bodies and minds get the chance to recharge, setting us up for the day ahead. While we sleep, our muscles heal, our energy gets restored, and our brains sort through memories and information, helping us wake up feeling refreshed and ready. This process is vital for keeping us physically and mentally healthy, allowing us to perform our best each day. Good sleep habits help us maintain a healthy weight, stay in a good mood, boost our immune system, and keep our minds sharp. It's all about creating a sleep-friendly environment and sticking to routines that help us sleep well. When we get enough sleep regularly, we feel more alert, focused, and emotionally balanced. This makes it easier to handle daily tasks and improves our overall quality of life. We're also better at managing stress, making good decisions, and maintaining healthy relationships. Good sleep gives us the strength to face life's challenges with a positive attitude. On the flip side, poor sleep habits can harm our health. Not getting enough sleep can lead to various physical and mental health issues, disrupting our daily lives. Chronic lack of sleep can increase the risk of problems like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, depression, and anxiety. These issues can seriously affect our quality of life. It can also mess with our judgment, reaction time, and thinking skills, making accidents and mistakes more likely. This can impact our work, safety, and interactions with others. Prioritizing good sleep habits is an investment in our health and well-being. By making sleep a priority, we can improve our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Adopting healthy sleep habits can enhance our sleep quality and overall health, helping us live fuller, more productive lives. Simple changes like keeping a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and avoiding stimulants before bed can make a big difference. One of the best ways to get better sleep is by sticking to a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. It might be tough at first, but trust me, it's worth it. Our bodies love routine, and our sleep-wake cycle is no different. When we keep a regular sleep schedule, we help our internal clock, or circadian rhythm, stay in sync with the natural day-night cycle. By going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, we help regulate our body's natural sleep rhythm, known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm affects many things like hormone release, eating habits, and digestion. A regular sleep schedule tells our brains when to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps us sleep, and when to stop it in the morning. Melatonin is super important for falling asleep and staying asleep through the night. This consistency makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally, without needing an alarm clock or feeling groggy. Over time, your body will get used to this schedule, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. Start by setting realistic bedtime and wake-up times that give you 7 to 9 hours of sleep, which is what most adults need. Pick times that fit your lifestyle and commitments so you can stick to them. Stick to this schedule even on weekends because big changes in our sleep patterns can mess up our circadian rhythm and make it harder to fall asleep later. Consistency is key when it comes to a healthy sleep routine. Even if you don't get a full night's sleep, sticking to your schedule will help regulate your body clock and improve your sleep quality over time. Also, creating a relaxing bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could be reading a book, taking a warm bath, or doing some gentle yoga. Avoiding screens and bright lights before bed can also help your body produce melatonin better. Remember, good sleep hygiene is super important for overall health and well-being. By prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a calming bedtime routine, you can improve not only your sleep quality, but also your daily energy levels and mood. So take the first step towards better sleep tonight. Set your alarm for the same time every morning and commit to going to bed at a consistent hour. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Sweet dreams and good night. Our sleep environment plays a crucial role in determining our sleep quality. The space where we rest should be a sanctuary, a place where we can fully relax and unwind from the stresses of the day. A comfortable, dark, quiet, and cool bedroom can significantly enhance our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Creating such an environment involves paying attention to several key factors. Start by ensuring your bedroom is dark enough for sleep. Darkness signals to our brain that it is time to rest, helping to regulate our internal clock. Light exposure, particularly blue light emitted from electronic devices, can suppress melatonin production and disrupt our sleep. This means that using phones, tablets, or computers before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any unwanted light. These simple tools can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Temperature also plays a vital role in sleep quality. A room that is too hot or too cold can cause discomfort and disrupt your sleep cycle. Most people sleep best in a cool room, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. However, individual preferences can vary, so it's important to find the temperature that works best for you. Experiment with different temperatures to find what works best for you. You might find that a slightly warmer or cooler room is more conducive to your sleep. Ensure adequate ventilation and use breathable bedding to prevent overheating. Natural fibers like cotton and linen can help regulate your body temperature throughout the night. Minimize noise distractions by using earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to drown out any disruptive sounds. Consistent, soothing sounds can help mask sudden noises that might wake you up. Invest in a comfortable mattress, pillows, and bedding that provide adequate support and promote relaxation. The right bedding can make a world of difference in how well you sleep. Finally, keep your bedroom clean, tidy, and free of clutter to create a peaceful and inviting space for sleep. A well-organized room can help reduce stress and make it easier to relax at the end of the day. All right, let's talk about some natural ways to boost your sleep quality. First up, consider incorporating more magnesium-rich foods into your diet. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds can really make a difference. Another tip is to create a bedtime routine that includes winding down activities. Maybe try reading a book or practicing some gentle yoga stretches. And oh, don't forget about the power of herbal teas. Chamomile and lavender teas are known for their calming effects. Finally, make sure your sleep environment is comfortable and cool. Sometimes just adjusting your room temperature can help you drift off more easily. There you have it, some simple natural boosts for better sleep. Establishing a calming bedtime routine is key to signaling your body that it's time to wind down. Start by setting a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Engage in relaxing activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. And it's important to create a serene environment in your bedroom, free from distractions and electronic devices. This helps your mind and body prepare for a restful night of sleep. To improve your sleep quality, it's crucial to avoid certain habits. Try to limit your intake of caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Avoid heavy meals late at night, as they can disrupt your sleep. Also, steer clear of stimulating activities like watching TV or using your phone before bed. These habits can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. If you find yourself struggling with sleep despite your best efforts, it might be time to seek professional help. Persistent sleep issues can be a sign of underlying health problems, such as sleep apnea or insomnia. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help identify the root cause and provide you with effective treatment options. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is essential for overall well-being, so don't hesitate to seek support if you need it. Now that you've learned about the importance of good sleep hygiene, it's time to take action. Implement these tips and make sleep a priority in your life. A well-rested you is a healthier, happier, and more productive you. So start today and embrace the benefits of a good night's sleep. Your body and mind will thank you for it.